The ran into a problem answering your request error is one of the most common issues users encounter on Poe AI, especially as the platform continues to grow in popularity. This error typically stems from three main categories of issues. First, server-side problems are the most common cause, including high traffic periods that overload Poe's servers. Rate limiting is a crucial concept to understand. When too many requests hit the server simultaneously, a rate limiter controls the flow to prevent system overload, which can cause the error you're experiencing. Client-side problems form the second category of issues. These include browser cache problems, unstable network connections, and browser compatibility issues that can interfere with Poe's functionality. The third category involves account-related restrictions. These occur when you exceed usage quotas on free tiers or when your requests violate Poe's content policies, triggering safety systems. Now for the solutions. The first and most effective approach is simply to wait 5 to 10 minutes before retrying your request. This allows the server to recover from potential overload situations. Always check Poe's status page or social media channels for reported outages. This helps you determine if the issue is widespread or specific to your setup. Finally, optimize your requests by breaking complex queries into smaller, simpler parts. Use clear, concise language to reduce processing time and avoid timeouts that can trigger the error. Understanding these error causes and applying these basic solutions will resolve most ran-into-a-problem errors you encounter on Poe AI, ensuring a smoother experience with the platform. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve Poe AI errors, it's time to focus on browser and device-specific solutions. These practical fixes address the most common technical issues users encounter. Browser issues are responsible for about 30% of Poe AI problems. The first step is clearing your browser's cache and stored data, which can become corrupted and interfere with the platform's functionality. JavaScript must be enabled for Poe AI to function properly. Many users unknowingly disable JavaScript or use browsers with restrictive security settings that block essential scripts. Ad blockers and privacy extensions can interfere with Poe AI's operation. Temporarily disable these extensions to test if they're causing the problem, then whitelist Poe if needed. Network connectivity issues account for 25% of Poe AI errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate connection problems. Restarting your router or modem can resolve temporary network glitches. For mobile app users experiencing issues, start by force closing and restarting the Poe app. Clear the app's cache and data through your device settings, and ensure you're running the latest version from your app store. If problems persist, try using different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari to isolate browser-specific issues. Disable browser extensions one by one to identify conflicts, as some extensions can interfere with web applications. Prevention is better than troubleshooting. Keep your browsers and apps updated, maintain a stable internet connection, and understand Poe's usage limits. Consider upgrading to a paid tier if you frequently encounter quota issues, as this provides higher usage limits and priority access. These practical solutions address the majority of Poe AI technical issues. By systematically working through browser settings, network connectivity, and app maintenance, most users can restore full functionality and prevent future problems.